Moving with Medicare? Don't lose your coverage. This is one mistake thousands of people make every year, and it can leave you with no insurance when you need it most. When you move to a new city or state, your Medicare Advantage, Part C or Part D prescription plan may not transfer automatically. These plans are tied to your zip code and county, so when you move, your coverage could simply stop. Remember, when choosing a plan, that plan is tied to your zip code. But here's the good news. Medicare gives you a special enrollment period when you move. You have 2 months to choose a new plan in your new area. If you don't, you could be stuck paying 100% out of pocket until the next enrollment period. If you're on an HMO, your coverage is local. It won't follow you. A PPO might still cover you, but expect higher costs outside your region. If you're on Original Medicare with a Medigap policy, that coverage travels nationwide. But your Part D prescription plan still needs updating. Before you pack your boxes, call your plan, report your move, and confirm your new options. Because losing coverage mid-move is a mistake you can easily prevent. Follow Freedom After 50 for more clear Medicare guidance before it's too late.